Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you how to do a factory reset on a Whistler Radar Detector. We've got two different ways to do this depending on which detector you've got. We've got one here with the power switch that rolls and clicks to turn the power on or off. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we've got the power switch turned on, and we're going to make sure that our power cord is unplugged from the radar detector. While it's in that state, we're going to hold down the quiet button. While we're holding the quiet button down, we're going to plug the power cord in. Once we do that, we're going to hear two beeps and it'll show factory reset on the screen. Once we get our two beeps, we can let our button go and it's done with the reset. Now it's going to go through the power on self-test and everything is set back to the factory defaults. The other type of radar detector, it's got the power button on the side, but instead of clicking to turn the power on or off, you push the button, or you push the wheel in as if the wheel were a button. Now the way that we're going to do a reset on these is we're going to hold the power button down and we're going to hold the quiet button down, again, while the power cord is unplugged. So we hold our power button down, we hold our quiet button down, and again we'll show us on the screen, we'll say factory reset and we'll hear two beeps. And we let our buttons go and it goes through the power on self-test. So that is how you perform a factory reset on a Whistler Radar Detector. For more videos, check out our Whistler YouTube channel at youtube.com/WhistlerGroupInc. And thanks for watching.